Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. See here, some questions are written. These questions are your from chapter limit chapter. So today we will discuss how we will write the solution of this question, how we will find the answer of this question. Okay. So before this video, we had discussed the questions of limit. We had explained, we had discussed how you will use the basic concept of limit to find the answer of this. Okay, so today we will discuss this question also. So let us see the first question. Okay, see, first question is saying that what limit, find limit x tends to 0 fx where fx, see here fx is defined and you have to find this limit. Okay, so see here, so we have to first of all we have to find limit x tends to o negative. Okay, o negative, and so when you will take o negative, so see here x is equal to 0 is given, and this function fx is what, so inside first of all understand fx is what given, x upon x modulus. So here x modulus is there, so value of this will be minus x, value of this will be minus x if x is less than 0, and value of mod x will be positive x if x is greater than 0. Okay, so on the basis of this we will do here. So right here fx is equal to limit x tends to o negative, o negative x upon mod of x. Okay, mod of x. Now value of this will be what will come, x upon minus x, then x get cancel each other, what will come, minus 1 will come. Okay, now we will find x, limit x tends to 0 o positive fx is equal to limit x tends to o positive x upon mod of x. Now when x is greater than 0, then what will come here, x upon x will come, then x get cancel each other, what will come, 1 will come. So here you can see that limit x tends to o negative fx is not equal to limit x tends to o positive fx. Okay, not equal, then limit not exist, limit not exist. If not equal, then not exist. Okay, so see here in this way we will define this way, find the limit of the function. Okay, now let us see the question number 2. Okay, question number 2 is saying that find limit fx where limit x tends to 5 fx where fx is equal to mod of x minus 5 is given. Okay, so here we will find limit x tends to first of all 5 negative we will find fx, then we will write limit x tends to 5 negative mod of x minus 5. Okay, so when we will mod of x value, then 5 is there, 5 is greater than 0. Okay, so value will be positive, so here what will come, limit x tends to 5 negative x minus 5 will be there. Now put the value 5 here, put the value 5 here, so 5 minus 5 will be 0 here. Now for positive value also find x tends to 5 positive fx is equal to limit x tends to 5 positive mod of x minus 5, then limit x tends to 5 x minus 5, then 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So you can see in this also 0 is coming, in this also 0 is coming. It means limit x tends to 5 negative fx is equal to limit x tends to 5 positive fx. Both are equal, then here limit exist, here limit exist. Okay, so in this not exist, in this exist. So see here how we will find the answer of this question, how you will write the solution of this question. Okay, Now let us see the question number third. So for writing the solution of question number third, I have to erase this. I hope you have noted down. Okay. Now let us see the question number third. Question number third is saying that suppose fx is given. See here, function is given a plus bx if x is less than 1, 4 if x is less than equal to 1, b minus ax if x is greater than 1. Now if limit x tends to 1, fx is equal to f1, what are the possible values of a and b? You have to find the value of a and b. Okay. So here how you first of all you have to find limit x tends to first one negative you will take fx, then limit x tends to one negative. When one negative is there means less than one it is asking, so here you will take a plus bx. Okay. Now this will be equal to limit x tends to 1 a plus bx, then what will come a plus b will come when we will put 1 in place of x, then what will come a plus, so right here limit x tends to 1, negative will be a plus b. Okay. Now we have to find limit x tends to 1 positive fx, then when 1 will be positive then what answer you will get, this one will be you will get, so here you will write limit x tends to 1 positive b minus ax you will write. Now after this limit, then you have to put 1 only, so b minus a into 1, then sorry ax is equal to b minus a into 1, what will come limit x tends to 1 positive will be fx will be b minus a will come. Okay. Now here also what is given, limit fx x tends to 0, f1 is given. Also what is given limit x tends to 1, fx is equal to f1 is given, so 1 negative also, limit x tends to 1 positive also will be equal to 1. Now see here, to b plus here in the above one what we have get a plus b is equal to b minus a is equal to f1. F1 means when x is equal to 1 is there, what you will get, 4 you will get. Okay. Now or you can write a plus b is equal to 4 and b minus a is equal to 4. So see here two equation have formed, linear equation in two variable. So in 10th class you had learned how you have to solve linear equation to variable. So add both equation first and second. When you will add the a value will be cancel out, here 2b will come and here 8 will come, b will be what, 4 will come. Okay. Now when you will put in first, when you will put in first, then a will be 0, a will be 0. So here question are asking what, you have to find possible values of a. Okay. That the limit exists, so possible values of a and b will be what, will be a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 4. So see here, in this way we will find the value of a and b, possible values, and in this way you will write the solution of this question number third. Okay. So I hope you have understood how you will write the solution of question number third also. Now let us see the question number 4. So for writing the solution of question number 4, I have to erase. I hope you have noted down. Okay, now see the question number 4. Question number 4 is let a1, a2, dash a and b fixed real numbers. Define a function fx is equal to is given. What is limit x tends to a1 fx? So you have to find what limit x tends to a1 fx you have to find. Okay, now here in place of fx write the function this one limit x tends to a1 x minus a1 x minus a2 dash x minus an. Okay, when you will put the value of x a1 then you will get what a1 minus a1 a1 minus a2 dash a1 minus a2 sorry an. Then a1 minus a1 0 will be then into a1 minus a2 dash a1 minus an. Then what value will come 0 will come equal to 0. Then limit x tends to a1 fx will be 0. So see here in this way we will find the value of this one. Now question asking for some a is not equal to a1. So question is saying suppose that if a is not equal to a1 a2 or an then compute limit x tends to a fx. Now you have to calculate limit x tends to a fx you have to calculate. Now again write limit x tends to a. Okay, now fx is what this one again write x minus a1 x minus a2 dash x minus an. Now in place of x put the value a minus a1 a minus a2 dash a minus an. So see here limit x tends to a will be what of fx will be a minus a1 a minus a2 dash a minus an. So see here so this will be the answer of limit x tends to a fx. So see here how you will write the solution of this, how you will find the answer. I hope you have understood. Okay, now we will see the question number 5. So for writing the solution of question number 5 I have to erase this question. I hope you have noted down. Okay, now see the question number 5. Question number 5 is saying that if fx is defined as like this mod of x plus 1 x tends to less than 0 equal to 0 mod of x minus 1 x is greater than. Now for what values of a, okay, does limit x tends to a fx exist? Now so here three case will be if a is suppose if a is equal to 0. Okay, if a is equal to 0 and if a is equal to is less than 0 and if a is greater than 0. So we will find like this. So see here, so case first, here case first we have to write if a is equal to 0. So three value can be either a is equal to 0 will be or a is less than 0 or a is greater than 0. Now for a is 0, so here you will write limit x tends to a fx you have to find. Now so here limit you have to find this one. Now this can be written as limit x tends to 0 fx. Okay, now here we have to check 0 minus and 0 plus value. Then limit x tends to 0 minus fx, then what will come? Now put the value limit x tends to 0 minus fx is what? When 0 minus will be, means less than 0. So this one you will consider mod of x plus 1. Okay, then what value will come? Limit x tends to 0 mod of x. So mod of x value will be minus x plus 1. Then here 0 plus 1, what will come? 1 will come. Okay, so 0 means limit x tends to 0 minus of fx will be 1. Okay, now if you will consider if x tends to 0 positive, then for 0 positive again fx you have to find. Then limit x tends to 0 positive mod of x. Now 0 positive is there. Now for 0 positive, this one you will consider mod of x minus 1. Okay, now again you have to write what? Limit x tends to 0. So mod of x will be what? X will come minus 1, means when you will put value 0 minus 1, then minus 1 will come. So here you can see 1 is there, here minus 1 is there. It means limit x tends to 0 negative fx is not equal to limit x tends to 0 positive fx. Okay, so here where a is equal to 0 not exist. A is equal to 0 not exist value. Okay, so see here, in this way we will find the case first one. Okay, so in case first one not exist. Now we have to see case 2. Case 2 means a is less than 0. A is less than 0. Okay, so now let us see. So for writing the case 2 a less than 0, I have to erase. I hope you have noted down. Okay, now see case 2, fifth one we are doing. A is less than 0. A is less than 0 means a negative, which is asking limit x tends to a fx. Now if a is less than 0, then we will consider this value. Okay, we will consider this value, and for x is a is greater than 0, we will consider this one value. Okay, so see here what you will write. Limit x tends to a mod of x plus 1. Now see, now first of all we will check for the a x tends to a negative value. So if you are taking negative base, you have to put same sign. A is represent means positive value is there. Okay, so 0. So here what will come? Limit x tends to a x plus, here I have written 0 1, then x plus 1, then what will come? A plus 1 will come. Okay, so here limit x tends to a negative fx will be a plus 1. Okay, now we will check the limit x tends to a positive also. Now a positive will be limit x tends to a positive mod of x plus 1, then limit x tends to a x plus 1 is equal to a plus 1 again. Then what is coming? Limit x tends to a positive fx is a plus 1. So you can see here a plus 1 is there and a plus 1 is there, both are same. Then here limit x tends to a negative fx is equal to limit x tends to a positive fx. Both are equal. It means here a is less than 0 exist. A is less than 0 exist. So see here in this way we will write the solution of the case 2 of question number 5. Okay, now we will see the case 3 when a is greater than 0. Okay, when a is greater than 0 we will consider this one. Okay, so now let us see. Okay, so for writing the solution I have to erase. I hope you have noted down. Okay, now again fifth one, case 3, a is greater than 0. So a is greater than 0 means limit x tends to a fx. Now we will check for the negative and positive values. Now limit x tends to a negative. So for when greater than 0, so this function we will consider. So in place of fx we will write mod of x minus 1 this time. Okay. Now limit x tends to a, mod of x, a will be x minus 1 means a minus 1 will come. Okay, a minus 1 will come. Now after that limit x tends to a positive fx is equal to limit x tends to a positive mod of x minus 1. Limit x tends to a means x minus 1 is there, then a minus 1. So see here again a minus 1 is coming. It means limit x tends to a minus fx is equal to limit x tends to a positive fx is equal to, so a is greater than 0 exists. Okay, so see here in the case 1 a is equal to 0 not exist. A is equal to a is less than greater than 0 or a is less than 0 will be exist. So see here this is the case third. Okay, I hope you have understood how you will write the solution of question number 5, case 1, case 2, case 3. Okay, and I hope you have understood all the remaining question also. Okay, now if you have liked the video then share and subscribe it, and if you have any query then comment in my comment box, and if you are facing any doubt in any question, so here my WhatsApp number is written. On this number you will send me pic of that question in which you are facing problem. What I'll do, I'll make video of that question to clear your doubt. So till now wait for the next video. Next video we'll discuss some more questions related to the limits. Okay, after that we will discuss the derivative by using limits. Okay, so till now wait for the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.